Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. Hello, way up there. Welcome to the no bra zone number 3, guys. You're way up there, and I'm way down here. I've got my tripod up on a couple of moving boxes, and it's working just fine. I got it taped down. I apologize for the little bit of glare that you see right there. That is my light above, as well as the shadows. I have not gotten our stuff out of storage yet in Hilton Head to bring down here to sunny Florida, where we're hanging out for a bit. But I'm working on a big fella today. I'm working on a 24 by 48 inch artist canvas. It's the Classic Collection from Hobby Lobby. Now, it is not the deep base canvas, the deep sides, but it is a gallery wrapped, and I opted not to go with the deep size because I wanted to be able to manage the weight of this. I'm going to be doing a very simplistic negative space pour. Now, I've been fiddling with the pearl pours, and there are so many talented artists out there that do them. Tara from Pieces of Tara, darling sweet Tara. The link to her YouTube channel will be in my description box. Lovely Sarah Taylor from Sarah Taylor's Modern Art. Bonnie Keynes, who does beautiful pearls, and I am very grateful because I'm going to one of her outdoor art shows this coming weekend, and I'm excited as can be. Dwight from Dwight Pours, and a lot of other artists, and I apologize if I did not mention you, but you know who you are, that are very good at these pearl pours. Now, I'm doing something a little bit different. Everybody's recipe is different. Apple barrel white wine, satin enamel house paints, deco art satin enamel, a little of this, a little of that. I'm trying something different, and fingers crossed it will work. Our paints today are very, very simple. I've got a couple of big old jugs over here that I will not show you. I've mixed up about 50 ounces of paint, but we're going simple, guys. Right here, black and white. Artist Loft Soft Body Black, right there in that container. Artist Loft Soft Body White, right there in that container. No satin enamels, no house paints. A lot of times cells and pearls are created by the different densities of the paint. One paint sinks, the other paint comes up. Now, my pearls are probably going to be a little bit different than if I had incorporated satin enamel or a satin enamel house paint. I'm just fiddling. I am playing, and I decided to play in size big. What the heck, go big or go home. Our pouring medium today, very simple as well. Let me grab it for you. We have 2 parts paint, 1 part liquitex gloss pouring medium, 1 part strained floetrol, and almost a part of, where is it? There it is, a golden GAC 800, and about 1 part water. I would guess between 15 and 20% water in these paints. They are extremely fluid. You can see here, it leaves absolutely no trace when the paint rolls off the popsicle stick into the paint below. Our base coat is the same consistency, possibly a little bit thicker, but that's okay with me. Now, why did I paint my sides? I painted my sides with a paintbrush, with the paint right out of the bottle, no pouring medium, and the reason is these paints are so thin that when they hit the sides, they start to roll over, and when they roll over that thin, they tend to expose a little bit of the edge of the canvas. So to keep that from happening, I went ahead and painted my sides. What else do I have to tell you? That's it. We're just doing an experiment. We're having some fun on this 24 by 48 inch canvas that hopefully will make a cool, abstract, minimalistic painting that will hang in this girl's house. Glad you're here, guys. I'm glad I'm here. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you. Got to